Welcome to the Bloody Channel, you hungry lot. Today, we're getting our hands dirty in the exciting world of food blogging and influencing. Don't think this is just some hobby for amateurs, you lot. This is a chance to turn your passion for food into a thriving business. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook just starting out, there's a place for you at this table. Let's get cooking. Listen up, you bunch of donuts. The first step to becoming a food influencer is finding your bloody niche. What are you passionate about? What gets your culinary juices flowing? Is it whipping up mouth-watering recipes? Or are you a savage critic who lives for restaurant reviews? Maybe you're all about the latest food trends, or you're a health nut who makes healthy eating exciting. Perhaps you're a jet-setting foodie who loves exploring different cultures through their cuisine. Find what lights your fire and bloody own it. Don't be a donkey trying to be everything to everyone. Focus on what you're good at and what gets you excited. That's the recipe for success, you hear me? Right, you've found your niche. Now it's time to start cooking up some killer content. And by that, I mean high-quality, engaging content that will have people drooling over their screens. First things first, you need a blog. Think of it as your culinary headquarters, where you can showcase your recipes, share your thoughts on food, and connect with your audience. But don't stop there, you donkey. This isn't the Stone Age. Get yourself on social media. Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Pinterest. The more platforms you're on, the wider your reach. And for God's sake, start a YouTube channel. People want to see you in action, getting your hands dirty, and creating those culinary masterpieces. Show them your personality, your passion, and make them feel like they're right there in the kitchen with you. Remember, consistency is key. Don't just post once in a blue moon and expect people to flock to you. You need to be feeding your audience regularly with fresh, exciting content. And for God's sake, make sure your content is top-notch. No one wants to see blurry photos of your dinner or read rambling blog posts that make no sense. Now, let's talk about the dough, shall we? You didn't think all this hard work was for free, did you? Monetizing your passion is crucial if you want to make a living as a food influencer. One way is through affiliate marketing. Basically, you recommend products you love to your audience, and when they make a purchase through your unique link, you get a cut. It's a win-win situation. Then there's sponsored posts. Brands are always on the lookout for influencers to promote their products, and if you've built a strong following, you can bet your bottom dollar they'll come knocking. But don't sell your soul to the devil just yet. Only partner with brands that align with your values and that you genuinely believe in. And remember, transparency is key. Your audience needs to know when you're being paid to promote something. Another avenue to explore is product sales. Have a killer recipe for chili oil? Bottle it up and sell it. Created a range of stunning aprons? Get them online. The possibilities are endless. And let's not forget about ad revenue. If you're getting a decent amount of traffic to your blog or views on your YouTube videos, you can start earning money from ads. It might not make you a millionaire overnight, but it's a nice little bonus. Lastly, there's the option of collaborations. Team up with other food influencers, chefs, or even local businesses to create exciting content that reaches a wider audience. It's a great way to cross-promote and expand your reach. Listen up, you Muppets! Building a loyal following is like building a brick wall. It takes time, effort, and a whole lot of bloody mortar. You need to engage with your audience like they're your best mates down the pub. Respond to comments, answer questions, run polls, host Quanda sessions, the lot. Make them feel heard, appreciated, and part of your culinary journey. Another crucial ingredient is email marketing. I know what you're thinking. Email? Isn't that a bit old-fashioned, Gordon? Well, let me tell you. It's still one of the most effective ways to connect with your audience directly and keep them coming back for more. Create a newsletter that's packed with exclusive content, behind-the-scenes peeks, and special offers. Treat your subscribers like VIPs, and they'll reward you with their loyalty. And for God's sake, use SEO. That's search engine optimization, for you donkeys out there. It's all about making sure your content shows up on Google when people search for things related to food. Learn the basics, use relevant keywords, and watch your content climb the search engine ladder. Right, you've got your niche, your content's red hot, and you're building a loyal following. Now it's time to talk branding, you lot. Think of your brand as your culinary identity. It's what sets you apart from the millions of other food bloggers out there. What's your unique selling point? What's your story? What are your values? Once you've nailed down your brand identity, Make sure it's reflected in everything you do, from your logo and website design to your tone of voice and the type of content you create. And speaking of content, let's be honest, we eat with our eyes first, don't we? That's why investing in professional photography is non-negotiable. No more blurry iPhone pics of your dinner. Hire a professional photographer or learn how to take mouth-watering photos yourself. Trust me, it will make all the difference. Collaborations are another fantastic way to boost your brand and reach a wider audience. Partner with other influencers, chefs, or brands that align with your values and bring something unique to the table. And if you really want to take things up a notch, consider hosting live cooking shows or workshops. It's a great way to connect with your audience, showcase your skills, and build a strong community around your brand. Now, let's get one thing straight. The world of food influencing isn't always a piece of cake. There will be times when you want to chuck your laptop out the window and swear off social media for life. But trust me, the rewards far outweigh the challenges. One of the biggest hurdles you'll face is staying consistent with your content creation. It's a marathon, not a sprint, and it takes dedication and discipline to keep churning out high-quality content week after week, month after month. Another challenge is finding your unique voice and standing out in a crowded market. There are millions of food bloggers out there, so you need to find a way to differentiate yourself and offer something unique to your audience. And let's not forget about the dreaded algorithm. Social media platforms are constantly changing their algorithms, which can make it a real pain in the arse to get your content seen by the right people. But don't let it get you down. Stay informed, adapt to the changes, and keep experimenting until you find what works for you. Monetization can also be a bit of a minefield, especially in the beginning. It takes time to build a loyal following and attract brands who are willing to pay for your services. Don't expect to get rich quick. Be patient, stay focused, and keep creating amazing content, and the money will follow eventually. Listen up, you donkeys! In the fast-paced world of food influencing, you need all the help you can get. Luckily, there are tons of amazing tools and resources available to streamline your workflow, enhance your content, and save you precious time and energy. First things first, you need a reliable blogging platform. WordPress, Squarespace, and Wix are all popular choices. They offer user-friendly interfaces, customizable templates, and a wide range of plugins to add extra functionality to your blog. Social media management is another area where you can save yourself a lot of headaches by using the right tools. Hootsuite, Buffer, and Later allow you to schedule posts, track engagement, and manage multiple accounts from one central dashboard. Genius, right? And if you're serious about creating drool-worthy content, you need to get to grips with video editing software. Adobe Premiere Pro and Final Cut Pro are industry standards, but there are also plenty of free or more affordable options available, like iMovie or DaVinci Resolve. Don't forget about food photography tools. A decent camera, natural light, and some basic props can go a long way. But if you want to take your food photography to the next level, consider investing in artificial lighting, reflectors, and backdrops. Now let's talk about the big picture, you ambitious foodies. You've worked your socks off, built a loyal following, and established yourself as a force to be reckoned with in the food influencing world. What's next? Well, the sky's the limit. You could write a cookbook, sharing your culinary secrets with the world. You could collaborate with brands on product lines, putting your name on everything from spices to cookware. You could even open your own restaurant or cafe, bringing your online presence to life in the real world. But whatever path you choose, remember the most important ingredient of all, passion. Never lose sight of what made you fall in love with food in the first place. Stay true to your vision, keep pushing the boundaries, and never ever stop learning. The world of food is constantly evolving, so you need to be willing to adapt, embrace new trends, and keep your skills sharp. Attend workshops, take cooking classes, travel to new destinations, and never stop experimenting in the kitchen. And most importantly, have fun. Food is meant to be enjoyed, so let your passion shine through in everything you do. Because at the end of the day, that's what will truly set you apart and make you a success in the long run. Right, you lot, that's it for today. Hopefully, you've learned a thing or two about the exciting world of food influencing. Remember, it's not all sunshine and perfectly plated dishes. It takes hard work, dedication, and a thick skin to make it in this industry. But if you've got the passion, the drive, and a love for all things food, then go out there and bloody smash it. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up if you found it helpful. And let me know in the comments what you're most excited to try. Now get out there and make me proud.